The attachment that I'm about to show you is really cool.
It's a big old truck bed, basically, for using on the back of your tractor, effectively turning your tractor into a UTV. Check this out. Check that out. That thing is tough, dude. Totally tough. Me and my wife both stood on that. That's just the tailgate. Awesome.
Get all my gear, put it in the big tool rack, and just keep it there and go, and I'll get way more done.
Really, it's just a mobile workstation for you so that as you go around your property, you can easily stop, clean up your mess, move on to the next thing. I think it's really slick.
It's got wheels on it, and when you hook it up to your 3-point, just back up, pick it up, you can lift your legs up and just take off. What everybody's been telling me to get, and I finally got.